Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to maximize any Microsoft Store apps to full screen in Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me open the Microsoft Store application itself and say if I click on this maximize options, it will maximize only this much when the text bar is not being auto hidden nor the title bar is being auto hidden. So in order to maximize any Microsoft Store apps to full screen, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Win, Shift and Enter. Now you can see the title bar has been auto hidden on the above, as you can see, and on the bottom also the Windows text bar has been auto hidden. So if you want to restore it back, you can just once again press the Win, Shift and Enter key to restore it back. So similarly, this tricks will gonna work on any Microsoft Store apps. Say let us open the Pen 3D software. Now once again just press Win, Shift and Enter to maximize it to full screen, and once again press the Win, Shift and Enter to restore it back. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily maximize any Microsoft Store apps to full screen in Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.